iPhone 13 once again rumored to be portless, but not all models. It's been rumored for a while that Apple is working on a portless iPhone, and it's looking increasingly like the iPhone 13 might be that phone, or at least one of the iPhone 13 models might be. That's because Jon Prosser, a leaker with an admittedly mixed track record, has said on his Front Page Tech YouTube show that Apple plans to make one of the iPhone 13 models portless. This isn't a new claim from Prosser. He previously tweeted exactly the same thing back in May. The biggest phone could have the fewest ports. He doesn't say which iPhone 13 model will be the lucky portless one, but assuming the selection mirrors the iPhone 12 range, we had guessed it will be the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as that would be the most expensive of them. Alternatively, Apple could make the iPhone 13 mini portless, since removing the ports might allow Apple to make phones even smaller. That's all just speculation for now though, and we would take the claim that any iPhone 13 model will be portless with a pinch of salt. However, Prosser isn't the only person to have made this claim. Ming Chi, an analyst with a good track record for Apple information, said much the same way back in December 2019, while at least one other sources has also suggested that one or more iPhone 13 models will be portless. Being portless means you will rely on wireless charging, which will likely be an annoyance for some people, but it's something Apple is already making as painless as possible though, which uses magnet to keep wireless charges aligned to the iPhone 12 range. And just like the removal of the headphones port, it's something people will probably quickly adjust to. Still, with the iPhone 13 not likely to land until September 2021, it's very early for rumors, so we can't be sure of anything yet.